Now let's do something where I'm going to give you sounds, smaller units now, not word parts, and I want you to blend those together. So let me give you an example. If I were to say k, a, t, I would want you to blend those sounds together and tell me cat, because k, a, t, when put together, says cat. Okay, how about this one? E, t, met. Good job. How about this one? P, I, t, pit. How about this last one? Listen carefully. F, o, t, float. Good job. You notice how I added that extra sound in there? Cool, right?